Did you know that beans, peas, chickpeas, and lentils are part of the same family of plants known as pulses? Pulses are a legume with the ability to add nitrogen to the soil through a symbiotic relationship with a soil organism called rhizobium. For thousands of years, wherever wheat or other small grains are raised, pulses have been planted too. Pulses provide the needed nutrients for systems without commercial fertilizer, improve soil health, and prevent erosion. This biological partnership extends to the food system also. Pulses are consumed across the planet as an important source of plant protein, complementing staples like cereals and grains. Nutritionally speaking, pulses are packed with a ton of nutrients and make for a healthy choice as part of any meal. Pulses are a great protein option and an excellent source of fiber, a complex carbohydrate that promotes proper digestion and gut health, meaning they are a perfect fit in any diet. Speaking of carbohydrates, pulses are a great source of resistant starches and can help reduce risk for type 2 diabetes and some cancers. Pulses are also a great source of B vitamins, especially folate, a nutrient critical for helping our body's cells grow and divide. And when it comes to growing these nutrient-dense little plants, Washington pulse producers are leading the way. So the next time you're shopping, pick up some Washington-grown pulses and help support your local farmers.